everybody, it's Don. Today on The Naturalist, I'm going to rewire a Dwarf Alberta Spruce Bonsai that I unwired recently using time-lapse photography. So let's see how it goes. So I've completed the rewiring. Now I'm just doing some final touch-ups to the style and trimming a few loose ends. I'm just about done here. I think it's a lot better again. I'm going to have to keep this thing wired for at least a year, probably until these branches set, since I learned my lesson by unwiring it a little bit too early this year, and the branches sprung back quite a bit. They hadn't set. But the ends of the limbs had also started to turn upright, which these spruce trees do, and a lot of trees do. So I had to flatten those back out anyhow and create more of a pad-like structure. So I think I've done about all I need to do on this for today. And so there goes my first time-lapse video of a bonsai style. All right, take care. Bye-bye.